Hey guys, too many cards here with another pack. 1990 score. Looking for the Bo Jackson black and white. Frank Thomas. Deion Sanders. Let's see what we can get. Griffey would be cool. All right, we got Treadway. Jeffrey Leonard. Oh shit. Not the Bo Jackson we're looking for, but we'll take that one. Nice. Okay, little doohickey. Langston. Tom Flash Gordon. Greg Jeffries, big ticket item back in the day. Hernandez. Let's go. John Smoltz. Mr. Alou. All right, not a bad pack on that one, guys. Make sure you subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.